Welcome back, children, to the online class. We are going to do our next lesson of final examination. The lesson name is Homework in Moral Science. Please take out your books, Birds and Bees. Buds and Bees. Page number 31. Homework. Let us hear from the teacher who speaks about the importance of homework. I hate homework, said Lata. Why do you hate homework? Asked her friend Vinita. Because I don't want to study at home. I want to roam around and play all the time, replied Lata. But I feel homework is okay, said Vinita. If we study only at the school, how can we remember things? So, children, there are two friends, and one of the friend does not want to study at home, and the teacher which gives her homework, she doesn't like to do it. And the Vanita is saying to her friend Lata that homework is good. We could do what we have done in the school and come back home and do it again. By this time, the teacher came to the class. How many of you have done the homework? Asked the teacher. So, by the time Vinita and Lata are talking, teacher comes and she asks who all have done the homework. Some students stood up. Look, okay, it seems many of you don't like to do homework. So, some of the children who had not done their work, they stood up. So, the teacher is saying, I think so that you have all not done the work. So, we shall do a class work on homework. So, the teacher is saying, on class work, we will complete our homework. Why do you think we have homework? Can't we finish all the study at school itself? We have only limited time at school to learn the specified syllabus. So we have to do the practicing part mostly at home. So children, we come to school to understand things which we are not able to understand at home. Specific word. It is given specific word we teach at school, and the things which we have learnt it, we go back and home and revise it again. In a way, this is good because the parents can also get involved in your study process, and homework is good because the parents are sitting with the children, and that way the parents also know and get involved with the children to do the study part. Your teacher may change every year, but the parents are the same throughout your life. Children, you are passing and going to another class, teachers are changing, but who is there for you at home? Your parents. They are not changing. They are in a better position to help you. Homework include the activities given to you to do at home as well as a revision of all the things taught in the class. So children, revision is given to you to do it at home. Whatever school has given you, you have to revise it at home. It will help you to understand the lesson better, and if you have already understood it, it will stick to your memory, said the teacher. Homework is given that you may remember what the teacher has taught you, and it can be in your memory, in your mind. When should we do the homework? Asked Vinita. Vinita is asking, teacher, when can we do our homework? Well, you should have a personal timetable for all the activities at home. So teacher is telling, the same way you have a timetable for school, you should have a timetable for your home. This personal timetable will have separate time for play, eating food, prayer, work, sleep, study and homework. So at home, you can make your eating timetable, sleeping timetable, playing timetable. So it will help you to do your homework quickly. It is always better to keep some time before play for homework, so that by chance you play for a longer time, homework will not be forgotten. So, homework is also given that you can play as much as you want, and homework can be for fun also, and you don't forget your work by playing also. You should keep some time for each subject. So you should divide your time for each and every subject. Some students are in the habit of studying only those subjects which they like. Some children are there in your class also, children. Whatever subject you like, you want to study every day that subject, but you leave some subject. We should discourage this tendency, as you may become completely not interested in the neglected subject. So, we should not have the habit of learning one particular subject. Instead, we should look into all the subject, children. If you don't feel like doing homework, then practice to do it like a game. Very fun time it is. If you don't like doing homework like studying, you play and do your homework. Make it in a game. Change it into a game. Allot points among your playmates for those doing their homework fast. So give points to the children. Give stars. You can give stars, you can give sweets, any game who does the work fast. We can discipline ourselves by doing different activities like study, play, pray, wash, gardening, etc. in the time allotted for them. A disciplined time management will surely bring you success in future. Children, here we conclude. So this lesson has taught you that one should be disciplined, and study makes a person disciplined in life. A well-disciplined person can manage his whole life. That is why, children, we study. I hope you understood this lesson, homework. This was your lesson. Please go through the video and try to understand. Thank you, children.